Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about nuclear power in Jamaica. As you know, the government in Jamaica is thinking about moving forward with nuclear technology in Jamaica. So today we're going to go through an article where Minister of Technology, Darrell Vaz, is calling for more collaboration on nuclear technology. So guys, what do you think about nuclear technology or a nuclear power plant in Jamaica? Now the benefits are there. It would produce so much electricity that Jamaica would be competitive with the rest of the region. Right now Jamaica has a very high electricity cost. I'm not sure if it's the highest in the region, but there are other Caribbean countries, other countries in the world, and some in the Caribbean that can produce electricity cheaper than Jamaica. And that's a problem because if you want to set up a manufacturing plant, you are going to go to a country that has cheaper electricity. So it definitely would be a plus in terms of the cost of electricity in Jamaica. But on the other hand, safety issues. I mean, there have what, a few power plants have failed and caused explosions. And when that happens, it's serious. So, guys, what do you think about nuclear power or nuclear power plants being used in Jamaica? Leave your comments in the section below. Alright, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what Minister Vaz is talking about. Minister of Science, Energy, Telecommunication and Transport, Honorable Darrell Vaz, has called for enhanced collaboration in leveraging nuclear technology to meet Jamaica's sustainable development goals. He made the appeal while speaking at the Scientific Research Council's Science and Technology Conference at the Jamaica Conference Center in downtown Kingston. Nuclear applications, when applied thoughtfully and responsibly, offer unprecedented opportunities, the minister said, while underlining the government's commitment to safe and responsible nuclear practice. Let us embrace the endless possibilities of innovation and strive for a harmonious and sustainable future by integrating nuclear technology, he added. The minister emphasized that nuclear technology application can significantly boost the local agriculture and health sectors, while nuclear energy presents a viable low-carbon alternative to traditional fossil fuels. Jamaica has been a regional leader in the safe application of nuclear technology for more than 40 years, particularly through the International Center for Environmental and Nuclear Sciences at the University of the West Indies, Mona. The center's work includes the operation of the slow-poke nuclear reactor, has significantly advanced research in agriculture, environmental studies, and public health. Minister Vaz is also encouraging conference participants, including scientists, business leaders, and policymakers, to think creatively and collaboratively as they explore the integration of nuclear technology into broader sustainable goals. Alright guys, so let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. We are on Constant Spring Road driving towards the Halfway Tree Transport Center. Alright guys, have a good day.